Some good news from BlackBerry Limited. Its popular instant messaging app appears to be a hit among Android and Apple smartphone users. The company said more than 10 million people signed up for the BlackBerry Messenger service in the first 24 hours after its release on Monday for non-BlackBerry users. The company says it is processing new users at a rate of 500,000 an hour, with millions more queued up. "We have absolutely incredible demand we're trying to manage," BlackBerry spokesman Jeff Gadway said. "We're off to a really good start. The rush for the new BBM app is a welcome moment for the Waterloo Auto company, which has been clobbered by competitors in the smartphone market. The millions of new BBM users are in addition to the 60 million already using the service on their BlackBerries. But it's not clear how BlackBerry will make money from the new service. The app is free, and other players have moved ahead of BlackBerry in the instant messaging race.